to learn how to install Power BI, the all stuff? Should we discuss how many ways to install Power BI?
I'm not sure because I have a MacBook Pro, so I can't really download it.
So I just tell you, I just tell you the path and the way
Mhm.
uh,
Okay.
how to install Power BI. So just close this SQL also not required. Now, the one way of uh, installing a Power BI is from the web browser. Before coming on this point, I think we should discuss this one.
Okay.
Now, you are comfortable with how many points in the given area? Can you just tell me?
Let's see here.
You are aware with, not you are expert in, but you are aware with the topic which is written here.
Yeah, well, we covered pivot and query. I feel pretty comfortable with those.
Mm,
And then the Power BI desktop, that's just the
Power
main
BI
app, right?
desktop. Fine. The
Power
two.
View, that is where you actually create, start working on your report, creating your graphs.
Sure, sure. Great, great, great. Good, very good. What about Power Pivot?
And then Power Pivot, that is where you start setting up your relationships for your data.
Yes, yes. Data modeling,
Data
calculated
modeling,
field,
yeah.
calculated fields, measures.
Measures. Okay, yeah.
Yes, you all stuff created here. Power Map is type of a map which is a dynamic map which we can create in Power View. If you are in Power BI, you can create a Power Map over there. Fine. Power QA I will discuss maybe tomorrow, not now.
Mm-hmm.
What is Power BI website?
Is that like a website version of the software?
This is the cloud version of this Power BI desktop. Let's suppose if you are not able to work with the Power BI desktop, then you have an option called you can go to a browser. Here you can write Power BI service. Then you will get in this Power BI service here. I click on to that. But Power BI service is not free of cost.
Okay.
Power BI desktop is a free of cost. You can create a report. You can work with that report. You can learn Power Query. You can learn Power Pivot. Everything you can learn. No worries. But Power BI service is a paid service, which required your sign in. But if you are working in a company, if you can create your login with your corporate ID, the Power BI Basic is free of cost, but Power BI Pro is a paid.
Gotcha.
So I click on to sign in. I have an account. I click on to that account. So I just click on to that. Now it recognizes me. There are some data which I created. This is already there. So I have all the option to work with this. This is my workspace. So this is my report. I can click on to that. I can refresh it. I can edit it. Fine. Double click on that. The report will open here. Can you see this report?
I
Now
see
I
it.
have all the option filter. You have all the option to create this report. Edit the report. Now you will get same view. Can you see this?
Yeah, I can see it. That's the same as the desktop version.
The Power BI, the desktop version. It is a Power BI But here we can publish desktop, which we cannot do there. When you click on publish in Power BI, let's suppose if you click on Power BI and you
Mm-hmm.
create something,
Mm-hmm.
if you create something and
Yeah.
you click on publish, you directly come to this place. For publishing a report, you need to come to Power BI service. It is not possible in Power BI desktop. If I click onto this publish after creating the report, I will
Mm-hmm.
be redirected to this. So report can be created here, report
Mm-hmm.
can be created here, but dashboard only can be created
Online
here.
on Power BI
I think
website.
you are clear with this on the Power
Yeah.
BI website. Fine. So these are all the components that we have. Now, when I'm talking about Power BI installation, so first way is download Power BI desktop. You can click here. You will be redirected to this website. Here you can download free. There is one option. You can
Mm-hmm.
download this Power BI dashboard, which is visible here, but that is for Windows only,
Mm-hmm.
not for Mac.
Mm-hmm.
So you can click here. Second option is you can go to the Microsoft Store. You can click here. This is a Microsoft Store.
Oh yeah.
So go there and you can say Power BI desktop. So Power BI desktop we can install from two places. One place is here, which you can see from the website. One place is a Microsoft Store. So Daniel, which is a better option? Installing from Microsoft Store or installing from website?
Hmm. Isn't it essentially the same?
No, they are not same. They are different.
Microsoft
The
is better.
software is same, but the benefit is different. So when you are talking about in term of benefits now, the
Mm-hmm.
benefits is different. For example, if you download an application in your mobile from App Store,
Mm-hmm.
the one benefit is that whenever a new update come, it will automatically get updated in your mobile.
Nice. That's a good
Let's
benefit.
suppose that is a big benefit. No, if you are downloading from a website, you need to manually go every time and download the latest version every time. I hope you understand the concept.
Yeah.
If
No,
you
I get that for sure.
download from, if you download it from, it is Microsoft. What is the problem in that? No. It's coming. No. So this is a Power BI desktop. When I click on that, this is already installed. And whenever, because Power BI desktop or Power BI is a tool which gets updated every time. It is
Mm-hmm.
possible we are taking session here and there is some update available for them.
Already, yeah.
Every week, every fortnight, sometime weekly, sometime you say after 5 days or 10 days, the Microsoft release the updates for that. So every time the new update came, you do not need to bother. You just click on update, you will get automatically, or either auto update is activated, you will get automatically all the updates. So this is a better choice to work with this. So although you have a choice of this by using this,
Mm-hmm.
there is a choice. You can download it from here also. There are so many options. So now
Right.
I'm coming back to my slide. Yes, yes, please. Now, in Power BI website and in Power BI desktop, we can create a report, we can publish a report, and we can edit the report if we require. We have a third thing which is called Power BI mobile app. I repeat, this is a Power BI mobile app. This mobile app is available for your mobile, and this mobile app is for Android and for iPhone also.
Mm-hmm.
So iOS and Android both are supported by them. You can view your report here. You can slice and dice the report. You cannot create a report here. You cannot edit a report here.
But you can view one.
You can only view. Let's suppose if you want to see a dashboard while
Mhm.
traveling, so you just open your mobile and see the report.
That's
So
pretty
that is
handy.
possible in the pretty handy. If you have an iPad, that is very grateful. You can see all the slice and dice that you are doing in Power BI view. Now you are
Mm.
clicking on category and products are coming, and when you are clicking on products and then what is coming, the customers are coming. Similar thing can be done in Power BI mobile app. You can click and slice and dice the data.
Mm-hmm.
I hope this is clear to you.
Yeah, no, very clear.
Great. Now I am opening a Excel and just writing few things to make you understand
Yeah.
more clear to you by writing here. I am using as a whiteboard. I have a power pivot, power query, and power view. These three topics are very important. Power pivot for data modeling, power query for data transformation, power view for data presentation. When we are talking about a Power BI desktop, it means we have a software. When we have a Power BI service, again we have a cloud-based software. It's a cloud-based software. We have a Power BI mobile. It is also a software. These are three topics which is very important. These are three softwares. These are actually not topic. If you say, I know Power BI desktop. Power BI desktop is a software which you are using for all these three purposes.
Mm-hmm.
Fine. Similarly, Power BI service is a software which you can use for Power View and other purposes. Power BI mobile, again to see the dashboards. So these three are softwares. These three are important topics. And when we are talking about Power Map and Power Q&A, these are two tools which is available in Power View. These are two tools which is available in Power View. We will do this two tool tomorrow. Are you clear with? Can we make a clear understanding that what exactly we are talking about these all terms?
Yeah, it's very clear. So
These three
Power
are the
Map,
things.
yeah, those are the topics, right? Power Query is for data cleaning. Power Pivot is for data modeling, and then Power View is for data
So data
presentation or
presentation.
report.
Yes.
And then Power BI Desktop. Okay, the only one I'm not super clear on is Service. Power BI Service, is that the website version? Is that what you're referring to there?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
so
Yes. Yes.
and Power BI Mobile and Desktop, those are the software that we use to actually work with data in Power BI and to actually practice
Power
and
BI
Power
service is
Pivot.
also a software which is cloud based, which
Cloud
is run
based, yes.
actually the Microsoft website and give you services on the cloud.
Cloud based, yes.
Fine. So these two topics, Power Map and Q&A, is a part of Power View, is
Mm-hmm.
a part of data presentation that we will
Mm-hmm.
discuss tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
I hope you understand with all. Now, if I open this slide, you will not be confused.
Not at all. It was very clear.
Great, 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 great. So I'm just giving an one important thing to you. Power BI desktop is a new component in Power BI suite that is a development tool. So we can work with those all stuff. Power BI website is a solution from publish on website and create a dashboard and report. This is a cloud-based. Power BI mobile app is basically to view the report. It is basically to interact with the report and dashboard on Power BI, not to develop it, but to create it. So that's what.
Or to look at it, not to create it, to look at it, right?
Not to look at it. Yes, nothing else.
I'm pretty sure you said this, but I just want to make sure I understand it. When you actually go from, a report to a dashboard, when you publish, that's all online in the Power BI.
That's all. That's all. If you want to make it, that's all.
Right. And so, like, if you want to share your dashboard with, coworkers or your teammates, they would be viewing it online on the website.
Yes. We have a sharing option.
Sharing option.
We have a sharing option. We can go on the sharing part. So I'm closing this right now. So this is a installation part that we are talking about. So now the next one is what happened to this Microsoft Store. Open this.